Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So the process is very simple and process is almost similar for Android as well as iOS devices. Simply just open your Instagram application and then just tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right corner. Once you are here, just tap on these three lines. Tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit and you can see the option here account center. Just tap on it and then you can see the option accounts here. Tap on accounts. And once here you can see the both accounts, the Facebook account and Instagram account. And if you want to remove Facebook account, just tap on remove and you can see the remove option here. Just tap on remove and now it says remove this account from your account center. Whatever, simply tap on continue, and when you tap on continue, it will ask you again. If you tap on remove again, you can see your Facebook account is removed from Instagram. That's how you can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So I hope you found this video helpful for you. If it is, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.